What's up there, YouTubers? It's time for season 1 completed. Unboxing video part number 10. Today we're going to unbox this Power Wheels Dunes Racer in the Dodge van. This time it's a retro version, so let's do this. First up, we're going to unbox this Power Wheels Dunes Racer. Let's unbox it. Time to slide it, and here it is, Dunes Racer Godzilla. Look at it, it's so wonderful. Second, we're going to unbox this good old Dodge van from Hot Wheels Direct. Here it goes, nothing. Let's get this Dodge van out of the box. Here it is, the good old Dodge van. It's so yellow. I kind of like it. It's way better than my Dodge van that I got for Christmas 2024. See you next time for unboxing videos. See you on unboxing video part 11 in season 2.